Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are tackling a really annoying blue screen error, WDF01000.sys. This one pops up on Windows 10 and 11, and if you have seen it, you know how frustrating it is. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will have multiple ways to fix it for good. Alright, so what exactly is WDF01000.sys? Stands for Windows Driver Framework. Basically, it's a system file that helps Windows communicate with hardware drivers, but if a driver goes bad or gets corrupted, you get hit with a blue screen, and that's what we are here to fix. Let's start with the most common fix, updating your drivers. Press Windows plus X, then click on Device Manager. Here you will want to check your most essential drivers, especially under network adapters, display adapters, and sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click on each device one by one and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Do this especially for any drivers that might be third-party or look unfamiliar. A faulty driver is often the main cause behind this error. If you recently installed a new driver or device, go back and uninstall it. Still in Device Manager, right-click the suspicious driver, choose Uninstall Device, restart your PC, and see if that solves the issue. Now let's move on to the second fix. Run a system file check, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Then type this command sfc/scano, then hit Enter. This will scan your Windows system files and replace any that are corrupted, including WDF01000.sys if it's been damaged. This process might take a few minutes, so let it finish completely. Once it's done, restart your computer. Still getting the blue screen? No worries, we've got more. Let's run a DISM scan next. Open Command Prompt as administrator again, and type the following commands one by one: DISM /online /cleanup image /check health. Then DISM /online /cleanup image /scan health. And finally, DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. These commands will look deeper into your Windows image and repair anything that's missing or broken. It's a powerful tool that fixes issues that SFC can't always catch. Next up, let's talk about Windows updates. Sometimes this error appears after a bad update or gets fixed in a newer one. So click Start, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and then click Check for Updates. If any updates are available, go ahead and install them. Also check the Optional Updates section. These sometimes include driver updates that don't show up normally. Go to Advanced Options, then click on Optional Updates, and install any drivers you see there, especially ones related to your system's audio or USB. Now here's a quick tip that works surprisingly often. Disable fast startup. Open Control Panel, go to Power Options, then click Choose what the power buttons do. Click Change settings that are currently unavailable, then uncheck Turn on Fast Startup and hit Save. Why this helps fast startup: sometimes reloads bad drivers too quickly before Windows has a chance to correct them. Turning it off can give your system a clean, fresh boot. And finally, if none of these worked, you can try booting into safe mode. Press Windows plus R, type msconfig, and hit Enter. Go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot, and select Minimal. Restart your PC. If your system works fine in safe mode, you can narrow the problem down to a specific driver or service. Once you're in safe mode, go back to Device Manager and try uninstalling or disabling drivers you think might be causing the crash. Then reboot normally and test again. All right, let's quickly recap. We updated drivers, scanned for corrupt system files, ran DISM, installed updates, disabled fast startup, used system restore, and booted into safe mode. One of these should definitely fix the WDF01000.sys error. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you're still facing issues, drop a comment below. I always try to reply and help out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.